ever dreamt of building a real-time SMS application that can send and receive messages right from your browser? Today, we're diving deep into the Mern stack to create a modern, powerful SMS web app powered by Twilio. We'll be leveraging the power of MongoDB for our database, Express.js and Node.js for our robust backend, and React for a sleek, interactive front-end, and of course, Twilio will be the backbone of our messaging functionality, allowing us to send and receive SMS messages seamlessly. Our journey begins by setting up the foundational project structure. We'll initialize a new Node.js project with Express, configure our database connection to MongoDB, and define the core API routes to handle incoming requests and outbound SMS messages. Next, we shift our focus to the front end. We'll create a React application, designing an intuitive user interface where users can type messages, view conversation history, and trigger SMS sending. Crucially, we'll integrate Twilio into our backend. This involves setting up our Twilio account, obtaining necessary API credentials, and writing the server-side logic to interface with Twilio's powerful messaging API, sending messages to specified phone numbers. We'll then implement the inbound SMS. Handling this means setting up a webhook in Twilio that will notify our Node.js server whenever a new message is received, allowing us to then process and display these incoming messages in our React application. And there, you have it, a fully functional, modern SMS web application built with the Mern stack and empowered by Twilio. You've learned to combine front and back-end development with real-world communication capabilities.